We marinate our mutton, add chili paste, ginger garlic paste, salt to mix the mutton, and we allow the mutton to rest for about half an hour to 45 minutes. We add a bit of refined sunflower oil, add royal cumin, add chopped onion, the onion is getting golden brown in color, add a bit of ginger garlic paste, green chili and the marinated lamb. What we do is we broil the lamb a bit, we slowly stir the lamb. We add Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, we stir, add the tomato paste, add the mutton stock, coriander, give it a final stir and your gosht kali mirch is ready to be served. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander. Serve it hot.